Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one contact into your LearnWorlds account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually add one contact into your LearnWorlds account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Even if you're running an online business, sometimes you meet people organically in real life, and you want to be sure to add them into your LearnWorlds account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my LearnWorlds account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add someone into your LearnWorlds account, here on the left side, you're going to click on Users. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all the users you have in your LearnWorlds. And in order to add just one contact, you're going to click here on Add Users. Now, if you're going to be uploading a list, you can click here on Bulk Actions. But today we're manually adding just one person. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up here on the right. So you want to go ahead and fill this out. So you can go ahead and give them a username, put their email. The email is going to send them an invitation email, so that way they can join into your group. Here you're going to go ahead and choose a role. Here you can go ahead and add them into a course. You can tag this user for tracking purposes. So I'm going to go ahead and enter all this in off screen. Okay, once you entered in the required information, go ahead and click on Add User. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. You'll see this pop up that you've added a new user into your LearnWorlds account. Also, that LearnWorlds account user is going to receive an email, so that way they can go ahead and create a password and get access into your school, depending on which level you granted them. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add a contact into your LearnWorlds account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.